Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix Snapchat Plus subscription not available. For example, if you want to see where Snapchat Plus subscription shows, so you have to click on profile. After that, here you can see there is a banner which is showing Snapchat Plus. So if you click on that, then it is showing all the feature of the Snapchat Plus, but as you can see below, it is available that subscribing is not currently available. So how you can fix that, which means how you can get the Snapchat Plus subscription if it is not available. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the settings. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to click on I need help. After clicking on I need help, Snapchat support will be open. So here you have to click on search for Snapchat Plus subscription. So if you want to subscribe Snapchat Plus and it is not showing, then how you can. So here it is showing how do I subscribe Snapchat Plus. After that, they will tell you the method, because it is not showing in your profile. Then you have to click on cross here. After that, you have to click on this article didn't answer my question. After that, you have to click on submit, and if you scroll down, then here you will can't find what you are looking for, so you have to click on contact us. After that, you have to contact Snapchat Plus. So here you have to select I need help with Snapchat feature. After that, you have to click on Snapchat Plus, as you can see. So after that, they will tell you subscribing to Snapchat Plus, so you have to click on that. After you click on that, a form will be open. So here you have to submit that form. Here you have to provide the username of your Snapchat. After that, here you have to provide your email. After that, here you have to explain the problem to Snapchat team. So I have already written, so I am going to paste that description. So here it is, hello Snapchat team, I have Snapchat banner showing in my Snapchat profile, but it is showing subscription is not available. How can I get my Snapchat Plus subscription? Kindly help me in this regard. After that, you fill that form. You have to fill the captcha, and after filling the captcha, if you click on submit, that form will be submitted to Snapchat team, and within few days they will connect to you by the email you have provided and help you in this regard. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.